This is a short data one with, it's either got a book or invention with it, okay? So it's part 200. Line 18k, Argon Neutrinos, black holes, Decay Boron -8, quantum spin 5G Wow Seti. There's your alien radio signal. These are the keywords in this one. Is gas argon -37, chlorine -37, neutrinos, decays of boron -8, at the heart of the sun. The spaceship neutrino, Christine Sutton. Black holes, relativistic jets, and Google argon gas neutrinos again. So this is a spaceship neutrino. This is a book that came up by Christine Sutton. So obviously it's got some good stuff in it for our designs. Quotes from Wiki. Christine Sutton is a physicist associated with the particle physics group in the physical departments of the University of Oxford. Sutton is active in outreach programs for particle physics and has previously represented Great Britain in the European Particle Physics Outreach Group. She is by far the most prolific contributor to the 2007 Encyclopedia Britannica with 24 articles on particle physics. So she does a lot of research. So February 1st, 2012 is when I started working on this, and again today is April 27th, okay? So my thoughts. Interesting how many scientists have written books on tests and theories, and they're coming up in the Wow Seti signal. There's like hundreds of them, just so you know. There's hundreds of videos, but there's hundreds more of scientists, like tons of them. A note to them, good job on listening to your gut instincts, or as I would call them, messages from the universe. What you did years ago is now going to be used to build a fast UFO engine. I really believe we will get something from all of this data. We just have to work together as a team. Here's the book that I found during my search, Spaceship Neutrino by Christine Sutton. Quote, argon -37 produced by the interaction with chlorine -37 of neutrinos from the decays of boron -8 at the heart of the sun. The keywords that come to mind are black holes, relativistic jet particles. We Googled decays of boron -8, and up comes Wolfram alpha boron 8 isotope element facts, atomic mass. And that's at wolframalpha.com. Not helpful. Okay, that's it. So the next one's the isotope data, boron 8, mass number and properties, neutron number, quantitative properties, spin, parity, decay mode, specific radioactivity, branching ratio. Okay. And Google, what are the decay modes of boron 8? So the keywords with quotes from Wikipedia that came up in the Wow Seti alien radio signal in this book have some sort of formula that NASA and others can use in the UFO engine power. Pi, or i.e. transcendental in imagery. To motivate E, it was mathematical constant. They discuss first compound interest and then continuous compounding. The exponential function y equals ex is the only function of x with the rate of change with respect to x equal to the function itself. And then we have the author define the Gauss plane and describe the action of multiplication by I as rotation through 90 degrees. They address Euler's identity, i.e. the expression of E pi I plus 1 equals 0, indicating that the venerable Benjamin Pierce call it absolutely paradoxal. Chapter 4 is assorted geometries, plane and fancy, both non-Euclidean geometry and four-dimensional space are discussed. The authors say, page 112, among our most cherished convictions, none is more precious than our beliefs about space and time, yet is more difficult to explain. So our keywords are isotope, spin parity, boron 8, neutron, quantum properties, and decay mode. And this is part of a series of articles on the mathematical constant of E. This is a mathematical equation that you'll be using for it. It's a natural logarithm, exponential function. It's from Euler's. Okay, so that's the end of that video.